This hidden problem costs you hours weekly. It creates daily stress you barely notice. This hidden problem costs you hours weekly. It creates daily stress you barely notice. Today, we reveal your home's landing strip. This often overlooked area dictates your daily flow. It's where keys, mail, and bags accumulate. Often, it becomes an unmanaged pile of chaos, but mastering it offers incredible, hidden benefits. Let's transform this zone for lasting peace. The landing strip is simply your entry point. It's the first place items land after work. Think coat hooks, shoe piles, mail on counters. Without a system, clutter quickly multiplies here. This daily accumulation leads to mental fatigue. You're constantly processing incoming items. Psychologist Dr. Susan K. Perry calls this decision fatigue. Each item demands a micro-decision upon arrival. Where do I put my keys? What about this mail? Studies show too many small choices drain energy. This hidden mental load impacts your entire evening. It contributes to feeling overwhelmed and stressed. Designing a dedicated landing strip is surprisingly simple. Start by identifying your typical dumping ground. Is it a specific table, a floor area, or a bench? Now, designate specific homes for everything arriving. A key bowl, a mail sorter, a dedicated shoe tray. Consider a charging station for phones and devices. Vertical storage, like wall hooks, maximizes small spaces. The goal is clear purpose for every single item. Take the example of Sarah from Phoenix, Arizona. Her cluttered entryway caused daily morning chaos.
Keys were lost, important papers misplaced frequently.
After implementing a landing strip, stress dropped significantly.
She added a wall-mounted organizer for mail and keys.
A small bench now holds shoes neatly underneath. Her morning routine improved by nearly 10 minutes. This small change yielded huge daily efficiency gains. It's about proactive organization, not reactive tidying. Imagine returning home to an instant sense of calm. No more searching for lost items before leaving. Your mental energy is preserved for important tasks. This organized zone sets a positive tone daily. It truly transforms your home's hidden energy. Master your landing strip for remarkable daily peace. This small change brings huge, lasting benefits. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.